Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to fill in your DV lottery forms. So go to your browser and type DV lottery 2025. Please, this is the official website. This one, US Department of State. So click on this. And please, the site is free. Don't let anyone scam you. You can do it on yourself. You can apply it by yourself. They don't they don't take you money. It's totally free. Sorry, my internet is actually killing. Okay. Ah, so let's continue. So you scroll down. You scroll down. So when you see begin entry, then you click on it. So you type in this code there, 9, 8. But as for you, they'll give you another code. So A R9. Then you submit. So after that, you type in your family name. Please, you type it in capital letter. All should be capital letters, unless if you don't have any middle name, then just click no middle name. For instance, January 5th, 1999. The country where you were, no, they enter the city where you were born. So assuming I enter Accra. Country where you were born, Ghana. So here, is it the same country? Is the country you were born is the same country, or you have another country? If you have no country, you press yes. If you have another country too, you press no, so that this option will be opened. So as for me, I have no second country, so I'll press yes. So you put in your picture. Now in care of, it's optional. If you like, you fill in. If you like, you fill in. If you don't, you fill in your address. Other ones, your town. It should be in capital letters. Accra. 00. The country, Ghana. You see the country you live today. So where do you live? If you're in Ghana, you put in Ghana. If you're in Ghana, you put in Ghana. If you're living in America right now, or sorry to say, if you're living in the USA, If you're living in the UK, you put in UK. So as for me, put in Ghana. Put in your telephone number, and now you put in your email. You put in, this part is very necessary. The highest education needed is high school degree, high school degree, high school degree. So if you have any skill, you choose a vocational school. If you are in university doing any course, you choose some university course. So as for me, I'll choose some university course. Are you married or unmarried? So if you are married, you choose the second one. If you are unmarried, you choose, as for me, I'm unmarried, so I'll choose the first one. If you are divorced, if you're a widow, if you are legally separated, if you are married and if you are legally separated, you choose these options, one of them. Number of children, as for me, 0. So if you finish, you click on it, then you take a picture of your confirmation number. You can print it at the top. So thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video for me. Thank you.